Let's solve this problem. So we can write 2x we can rewrite like this. Okay, now what we can do is just 2 to the power x, we can substitute t, so this equation will become 2t. Here we have just placed t, minus t is equal to 3. So 2t minus t is equal to t. Now replace the t with the original value, that is 2 to the power x is equal to 3. We need to find the value of x, so we have to take a log on both the side on base 2. So what will happen is, take a log base 2, 2 to the power x, and log base 2, 3. What will happen with this? X log 2 base 2 when base and this is same, so this whole become a 1. So x will be log 3 base 2. So this is the solution, and this is how we find the value of the x. Thank you very much.